Dumelang bakhayetu, it's your girl Chef Lebo. Welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys have been keeping safe, sanitizing, wash your hands, yeah, social distance what's nice about it is that because the weather is just hot and cold, ungayidla with some ice cream, or you can have this with itiye. Okay, so Gala, I've already preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, and now what about lining your cake tin or your muffin pan or whatever. So in you can sometimes they just use butterfingers, coconut oil fingers. Oh my goodness, I was not expecting that. Okay, so indlela abalayina ngayo ama baking trays abo. Okay, how we do it. So you can either put oil, and then which is your spread and cook, or jayele ukuthi mhlambe emakhaya my mother used to just take makuthi bekusetshenziswa iram, then athathe iphepha leli beligoqa iram and just spread that, and it was like, now that I think about it, she was using some oil to, yeah, so I'm just gonna do that, get it all in the corners. Yeah, we first use the spread and cook, and then the oil, then we put flour. So there you're double lining your tray, your baking tray. Yeah, bon. So that really helps to just make sure ukuthi ikhekhe lakho alibambeleli kwithini, yabo. Like makuthi uzofuna ukuthi nje usheshe uyikhiphe ukuze ikhule off, just oil, flour, and sometimes usually with chocolate cakes they would just put cocoa on the tray as well. That helps to just easy removal. Another way, ukusebenzisa parchment paper, and it's not the same as wax paper, guys. It is not the same. Nangangithi kuyafana. Disaster. So nje ufika esitolo uthicela i-parchment paper or baking paper, where umuntu uyayisika ke leyo ayifake la ngaphansi ukuze uphume kahle. So you have about three ways. So now we are going to mix our dry ingredients way too. So another thing about measuring is that you need to measure flat. You can see there's no hump or anything, it's flat. Once it becomes heaped, it's no longer that measurement exactly. So you must make sure when you're measuring, it's flat. A huge moment. I think that we've all made it once or twice in our baking lives. I need to use, guys. So I had bicarb in my hands just now, and the measurement, I used the measurement for the baking powder for the bicarb. Luckily I was able to scoop out the excess. And you guys, be careful. I need to take my own advice. Yeah, be careful, Lebo. Okay, so if by cup was supposed to be half a teaspoon, which is the blue one, I used a full teaspoon, but I was able to just scoop that out. Phew. Now for the baking powder, which is 1.5 teaspoons. Then we are going to put 3/4 of sugar. Then we are done with the dry ingredients. You can just give this a mix. Now to the wet ingredients. So in samakanda mabili, mai amabili. Then okay, so now we are going to gradually mix in my ingredients here. Tamanzi, so I like my dry ingredients. Gradually, I go timbo. Mix and guys, it's a science. We are scientists. Guys, any scientists? There you go. And into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes.
Okay, so while I wait for my cake to bake, I have my Swiss chard, some fennel, some kale, and red clover in my little garden. Guys, enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. And thank you to all the subscribers. Join the family, and I'll see you in the next video. It's your girl Chef Lebo signing out.